Hi guys, the question was how to export and import CSV data files into Trimble Siteworks. So let's take a look. I have a topo which I have performed. I go to main menu, data management, and export measure data. It's asking me for different file types. I want to do CSV file, point, northing, easting, elevation, description. We can include the QA data, control points. I don't want a control points. I don't need the QA data. FXL attributes, if you have that set up, yes, definitely. File location, you want to do device, or you can do external something. And file name, I'm gonna say topo, and I'm gonna put YouTube behind it just so we can easily identify. Once I hit accept, it will generate the file. Since I'm doing this on the computer, I'm gonna try to go to my drive, to my controller, and see under the 22602 there should be what did this, I don't remember exactly. I think it's this one, output. So yes, so under the job name, work order, and the work order which is opened, which was the August 9 progress topo output, there is August 9 2022 progress topo YouTube. So I have that there. Now I can take that and drop it in a business center or something and take a look at it. So once we have done that, is let's say we have a brand new file and we want to import a CSV file, import points for staking or whatnot. That's done under project setup, and once you hit change project, you can create a design and you can import wrong other computers, my computer, PC, SCS data, 602, work orders, progress topo, output. Here is the YouTube CSV. I can double click that and bring it in and create a design with the CSV file. Now, so that's as easy as it gets if you are receiving the files into your controller, or you have some files on the USB, so you went out to this field and you can easily import those. Very easy to do it in a Siteworks. Siteworks has evolved from SCS 900, and SCS 900 evolved from whatever, and it is a database software. So how does it work is you have let's take a look at project setup, right? So you have a project level, and that project level kind of splits into, one is work orders, which are your day-to-day tasks, and one is designs, which are the designs you want to, let's say, stake out points, all that stuff. So it's a database, and each work order is its own database of points, lines, and all that stuff, and each design its database. But what you want to look at is, like I showed, it's all based on the folder. So I have a folder for my project, then I have my folder for the work orders, I have my folder for the designs. In my work orders folders, I have my multiple work orders, and each work order has a appropriate data in it. The same thing goes for designs, and each design has appropriate data in it, whether it's points, line works, or whatnot. There used to be nice kind of like a spreadsheet, nice sheet for the SCS 900, which kind of explain which files where needs to be added in case you want to do that. So here it is. It's very nice, and it kind of explains the database format of the SCS 900, which was adapted to Siteworks. Obviously, the names and the extensions of the files have changed over the years, and there are some utilities like Trimble Business Center which you don't even need to know what goes where, because it will generate it for you. So anywho, this would be how you import and export the CSV files from Trimble Siteworks. Hope you found it informative. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next one.